In this video, we're going to discuss how to find or view your past orders and how to reorder. So when you log in here, you will see your order history here. You can click on it. This is, there are no orders on this account, but once you've placed orders, you'll see it listed. There'll be an order ID here, tracking number will show, if your orders have shipped. You can see where they are in the process, whether it's been blended, shipped, if it's just issued, if it's a brand new order. So it can help you kind of real time track where your personalized orders are in the manufacturing process. And then here is where you're shipping it to. So whatever the full name is that you put for the ship to date, and then you could even filter your orders by dates. And then this would be the formula name so your patient name. So this will show you all the orders. You can search for them, and then once you click on them, it'll show you all the relevant information to those orders. In terms of how to reorder, you can either come here and then simply that you'll see a reorder button. You can click the reorder button and follow that process. Most likely, you'll probably be making some changes to the formulas. So what you'll do is you'll go back to the formulas and you'll search for that patient's name. So let's say that patient was Central, as an example. What you'll see is once you've placed the order, you will no longer be able to edit that formula. So what I'd recommend is copying the formula. And once you've copied the formula, you can click on Formula Summary, and it'll show you what was in that patient's last personalized formula. So you can go through, you can make any necessary adjustments, you can add things, delete it, make sure it's relevant to their most recent lab data and everything that's going on with that patient, and then just follow the checkout process. But that is how to easily take a look at their last personalized formula and reformulate that to reorder that.